Well, hello and welcome back to yet another incredible video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick, easy DIY lamp that I made using totally free, hear me, totally free items from the Dollar Tree. You guys aren't going to be able to believe this. Let's jump in. So this DIY overall is going to be pretty quick and easy. I'm just going to be adding my panels to these wooden shadow box frames that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree a while ago and am basically reusing because I had used these previously in another DIY. And I'm just going to be adding them with hot glue. While I'm doing that, let me tell you how I got these items for free. So this item, you guys, was entirely free to me, and I'm gonna tell you how I got it. So basically, this mesh top is something that goes on a storage bin that's usually in the Dollar Tree Plus section. Apparently, when people buy the storage bin, they oftentimes leave the top behind. So when I was in the store, I saw a stack of these just sitting there. I thought it was an item, walked up to the desk to go ahead and pay for them, and they were like, oh, no, that's a top. The manager came by and let me know that I could just take them because they had so many because people kept leaving them behind. So just a little tip, you guys, make sure you're talking to the managers if you see something that's out of place or if it doesn't make sense, because you never know when you're going to get something for free. So I love it, right? But that's no surprise. I love a good lamp. But the thing that makes me love this the most is that I paid no additional money for it, right? I reused an item I already had and I got those panels for free. That's what makes this a rock star. So I want to show you guys another quick DIY that I made utilizing an item that I got from the Dollar Tree for free. This one is a thrift flip and you guys are going to love it. Let's jump in. So this box is another freebie that I got from Dollar Tree. Basically, it was holding some wooden stakes that I had gotten for another DIY. And when I went up to the register, I was like, can I just take the box because it's holding everything and why put it in a bag? And they said, sure. And now I am using that box to help me make a planter. Let me show you guys how I did it. So the shutter that I'm using and that I have spray painted black is one that I picked up from Goodwill for like $3, which I thought was a heck of a good deal. Gorgeous, right? And at no point in time will anybody guess that underneath this is a free box from the Dollar Tree. So I want to give a quick shout out to my channel members. We just rolled out our memberships about a week or so ago, and we are already growing our community. What we do on the channel for the channel members are we have special member only emojis. We do a live chat each and every single week, and we give you a little shout out like this to help you know how much we appreciate you. If you have not already joined our channel and joined those memberships, we would love to have you. Make sure you click the join button in the description box or right underneath this video. Well, as always, I thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to let me know in the comments if you were surprised and shocked, one, that I got free items, and two, that I was able to turn them into such beautiful home decor. Also, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, I invite you to come back, hang out, and be okay with us.